And so the day has come where I'll try my cornrow for the first time on my hair. Hi guys, welcome to a, will I say chaotic vlog? I don't know. But anyway, if this is your first time doing your cornrows, I guess you will need this video. I'm going to share some of the tips that I got from my sister as regards doing cornrow on your hair. So first off, hydration. Yes, you don't want your hair to have any form of breakage, so you need to hydrate your hair. And before now, I've previously detangled my hair. So yeah, this is what we're going to work with. So you can get this kind of comb that has a sharp edge for you to easily section your hair. To be very honest, it was not easy sectioning my hair. I will not lie to you. You're going to see it in this clip. I decided for you to have like a raw clip of everything, the struggle, the success, everything that you can ever imagine for a first timer on cornrows. It was a lot. It was a lot. Parting this hair was a struggle. Can you see how the moment I tried to section the hair just finds a way of coming to the line? I will try again and it will just be like a total hassle again. Like it was just a lot. Can you see? There was no straight line and this was what was PMSing. So I decided to try it from the other side to see if there will be hope, but still it kept gliding and sliding and still it was the same thing. So at some point I was almost giving up on the whole sectioning, but you cannot just say no, you need to keep trying. So that's what I kept doing here. Finally I got a straight line, then I decided to work with it. So yeah, I'm at the back of the sectioning and voila. Anyway, if you see me looking down, I have like a mirror right beneath, so that's what I'm looking at to be sure that I'm getting what I'm doing right, because my phone camera will not give me the exact thing I'm looking for. So in case if you want to do yours, get a mirror in front of you, or you can get the three-way mirror. That's the one I'm actually hoping to get, so I can see the back of my head, the front, the side and whatnot. So what you need to do is you need to divide your hair into three parts, right? Then you just need to go in a crisscross form. One hand goes underneath the other, the left goes underneath the right, like that. I really don't know how to explain it, but just keep following. So anyway, one thing I know that my sister taught me is that you need to ensure that you plait your hair on your scalp, like close to your scalp. Don't plait it loosely, plait it close to your scalp so that it will not look too loose when you're done. And also try as much as possible to braid close to each other. Like once you're braiding this part, ensure that it's closer to the one you previously did, and like that. At first, if you're a very first timer, right, sometimes it might look loose and all, but if you have this tip at the back of your mind, you will do it. And again, remove fear from your mind. That was the first thing I had to do. I had to just remove the fear of, oh, are you sure I can do it? Are you sure this is for me? And all of that. Because those people that are doing their hair themselves, they started somewhere. So why can't I do the same? Like, why am I different? No. Both my sisters can actually do their hair themselves, so I don't want to be left out. I want to learn. Fine, I'm a hair coach, right? I teach people how to maintain their hair, how to retain length, how to moisturize, how to do the right protective style to grow out healthy hair. But I don't really know how to do my hair myself, and that's a lot to take in. So that's what I'm trying to practice, and I'm taking you guys along with me on this journey. But the one I know I can do very well is mini braids, and my mini twist is getting better, but for cornrows I'm still shaky.
You can bank on it, you can put 100 grand on it. Anything I said, I'll stamp on it in a private place.
So how is it, guys? How is it coming out? Am I trying? Because that smile looks like a fulfilled smile. I feel like I'm trying. What do you guys think? Did I try for the first time making my hair on YouTube? Is it looking okay or whatnot? I don't know. Let me know in the comment section, and also give me tips on how to make my cornrows look even way better, right? I know some people say, oh, you need to start from like smaller sectioning and all, but the thing is, my parting is the issue. I don't know how to part my hair evenly and all of that. I was even telling my husband that maybe he will be the one to help me part my hair when is free, like you get on his leisure time and whatnot, so that I can start from there. I think if I have someone that will help me part, I can make the hair myself. I think the issue is just parting. So I almost gave up in the first cornrow, but I decided to, push again. I need to push. So that's what I'm doing here. Like, it's a lot. I won't lie to you. It's a lot. I was just struggling with the parts. Like, at this point, I was just tired. I won't lie to you. I was tired. but I kept pushing regardless because I have a goal, and the goal is to ensure that I make my cornrow myself. And if I don't get it right this time around, I'll keep trying. Like they say, practice makes perfection. So if I keep practicing, yes, I'll get it. So like I said, if you have juicy tips for all of us that are learning on how to make cornrows ourselves, just drop it in the comment section so that we can learn and implement it the next time I'll be making mine.
You can bank on it.
Like at this point, I was tired. I was just having this nervous smirk. Like I was just tired because, it's just a lot. So I decided to, part my hair from the middle and see if I part my hair from the middle, I'll be able to, walk better with the hair. But at the end of the day, it was still the same thing. I did not get the results I was looking for at all. And it's a lot. At this point, should I give up? Should I give up? Should I continue? Should I give up? Should I go? No. I don't know. Like, there was just a lot playing in my head. One mind was telling me to loosen the one I've done. One mind was telling me to continue. And yeah.
You can bank on it. You can put 100 grand.
So this is like an up close look. I had to, stand up for you guys to see it. Do you guys feel like I tried? Should I continue this journey? Should this be like Operation Get Your Cornrows Right? Because at this point, I don't know. Do you feel it's juicy enough? Do you feel it's something that I can carry out if I complete this hair? Let me know in the comment section. So I finally parted the second part. I was so happy. Then, I'm just moisturizing it with leave-in conditioner and all so that, it doesn't feel so dry and, prone to breakage. So yeah, I'm just detangling it and all. But look at it's not coming out well. It's not coming out well. I had to loosen this thing like up to how many times because it was not just coming out well. I don't know what the issue was. I really don't know what the issue was. This video is just to show you that, those people that are actually making their hair themselves, they started somewhere and they did not give up even when the thing did not come out right and all. And it's just trying to show you that if you also want to learn, just start from somewhere. I don't know why the second braid is not just looking nice, or cornrow rather. I don't know, it's not looking nice. Like, I can't carry this one outside. What do you guys think? It looks wet. It looks like, I don't know. It's just a lot. Now I'm going to loosen it. I can't continue. No, I can't. Time to lose it. Yes. I can't do this. Anyway, this is the struggle of trying to make cornrow yourself and all. This is like the pure video you will see out there showing the struggle. So yeah, I'll see you in my next.
You can bank on it. You can.
Bye.
You can bank on it. You can put 100 grand on it. Anything I said, I'll stamp on it. In a private plane, I'll lamp on it. Lele oh, then call me Bankole. Cause I walk around with the bank on him. Show them Gangnam Style, put the gang on him.